So we've gotten a big move from Bitcoin. Kita telah break resistance that we marked in the previous video. Market pun, a lot of coins are starting to move. H-bar 12%, Fartcoin 20%, VET, LTC, Link. So a lot of things are moving. Terutamanya juga ialah XRP, salah satu leader for this current mini cycle. XRP sedang pump dengan sangat-sangat kuat. Alright, so let's take a look at the charts. I have a few things that I want to show you. Dan I have an altcoin trade yang saya nak share dengan you guys. So sebelum kita mula, make sure you guys like the video, subscribe, dan jangan lupa comment if you guys want to see anything specific in the next video. Okay, so looking at the liquidation, we are going into the weekend. Hari ni hari Jumaat. So entering the weekend, keep an eye on where liquidity is building up. Sebab biasanya pada hujung minggu, after the weekend, we will get that big move untuk sweep liquidity. So let's take a look at where we have been building up liquidity over the past 1 week. Tak silap saya, 95k has been an area that we were looking at, right? We did get a sweep down here. I was expecting us to come below here dan touch 95k, tapi kita sweep ke sini sahaja, right? And we continued up. Bitcoin sekarang sedang naik ke atas, but let's see above here, not much liquidation has been building up. Let's look at 2 week. Kita tengok 2 minggu. So 2 week, yes, above this previous structure, we have 110 million in liquidity building up. So this is a target to keep an eye on. Okay, this is the target to keep an eye on for now while we are in this uptrend. Let's take a look at the charts. So Bitcoin, kita tarik volume profile kita, dan we were also looking at this trend line. Dan tengok, where we thought would be resistance, value area high dan juga trend line, we managed to break out. Kita hanya pull back sedikit sahaja. We touch this what you can say demand zone, order block, fair value gap, whatever, Fibonacci level ke, whatever you want to call it. Look at that, we were right in the golden pocket dan kita sambung naik ke atas. And it looks like we are currently moving out of this value area high and also this trend line. So right now the target that we need to break is this previous structure. This is a key structure and we have liquidity up here. Kalau kita tengok tadi, liquidation about 110 million above this structure here. So if we manage to push above here, make sure you guys keep an eye on the price, sebab once we clear out this liquidity, we have to see there's nothing much up here for it to target. Right, so we could push up here, we could push up here, collect the liquidity, and then we may be expecting a pullback. So keep an eye on how price reacts dalam zone ini. Take note, are we getting any reversal patterns? Reversal pattern ke? Reversal candlestick pattern? Are we losing momentum? Right, because here might be a zone where we can wait for a pullback and then continue to look for long positions. Right, so about I would say about 103 to 104k is the area that we are targeting for now. Once we reach that area, I'm going to keep an eye on price and see if we get any pullbacks. Right, if we do pull back, ke mana kita akan pull back? Right, of course we have this trend line and we have this value area high, dan kita boleh tarik sebuah Fibonacci. So saying maybe we pull back to about 97k, maybe if we deviate below this trend line and this value area high, we may touch the 97k level. I would like to see it come a bit lower and grab that liquidity dekat bawah sini, about 96 or 95k, right? But that would mean we are entering back into this range right here. So that's a little bit dangerous, but so long as we don't deviate too low or stay too long below this point of control, then saya rasa kita masih okay untuk naik. So I'm expecting us to continue up to about 103, 104k. Keep an eye on price over here. We may get a reversal sebab kita sedang masuk kepada zone liquidity, and I think if we pull this Fibonacci right here, yes, we are reaching the 786 level. So a point where a possible reversal could happen. So keep an eye on this level 103, 104k. Okay, might be somewhere, kalau you ada long position, it might be somewhere to potentially take some profit, set a trading stop, set break even ke, or whatever, manage your risk properly. Okay, but for me, let's see where I'm looking to build a long position. Kalau kita dapat sebuah pullback, ideally I still want to build a long position around 96 to 95k, right? Because that would be right at our around the 0.5 level, plus we have that liquidity pool right here. So this would be an ideal zone to build another long position. Tapi kalau kita tak dapat tu, kalau kita tak dapat pullback sedalam itu, then I will have to look for different levels, maybe somewhere above this value area high. We have to see how price actually how price continues up. Kalau dia create any demand zone semasa dia naik, then we can look for those to enter long position. Okay, but for now Bitcoin I'm relaxing sikit biar dia buat benda dia. Kita boleh cari trade di altcoin lain. Let's take a look at Ethereum. So saya dah ada sebuah long position, right? We are holding a long position from about here. But if I were to re-enter, let's look at 1 hour time frame. If I were to re-enter, this would be a nice level to look for. Kita tarik Fibonacci sini, and I would prefer to enter between 0.3 to 0.5. So somewhere around here, with the stop loss below, I would say below this low, and we are targeting the highs right here. So RR okay juga, satu nisbah 1.36, but I would prefer if we can go higher and of course take out this previous high. Okay, let's see, kita sekarang berada di mana? Oh, kita sekarang berada di sini. So we have not even broken out of this range. Masih ingat level ni yang kita mark? We have to break this range kalau kita nak ada chance untuk test previous all time high. Tapi sekarang Ethereum it's moving super slowly, right? It's moving super slowly. So saya dah ada sebuah long position, but I would add to my long position kalau kita dapat pullback yang kecil sikit. Let's see this VWAP. Yeah, so VWAP, if we pull back to about 3.2k, 3.1k, that would also be a nice place untuk cari long position. Stop loss below this low and targeting at least ke sini, right? Structural high or this major structure dekat atas ni. Kalau kita sampai atas ni, there will be a good indication to try and hold for the all-time high, right? Sebab I think the next time we reach this level will be when we break it, right? Kita dah test berapa kali? Dua kali lah. Kita dah test 2 kali. Third time's the charm. Who knows if we break this level and we can maintain above here, then we are definitely going for all-time highs. So a long position building for Ethereum right now would be targeting all-time highs. Okay. Solana, I'm not gonna, saya takkan kacau position saya sebab saya dah ada entry yang cantik dekat bawah ni. But if we do pull back to this support level, maybe you can look for a long position kalau you guys belum enter Solana. Okay, so this is just for Solana. Okay, now some alt trade ideas. Let's first review our trade that I shared. H-bar, saya dah share H-bar dengan you guys January 3 ya. January 3 saya share kepada public channel H-bar. And look at what H-bar has been doing. Boom. H-bar menutup lebih kurang 30%. So one of our members managed to catch this trade. Massive profit. Congratulations siapa yang dapat follow H-bar. Okay. So H-bar, take a look at that. 36%. If you entered lower, there would have been even more massive volume. Tapi tengok H-bar on the daily time frame, the MACD has just started to cross. Yeah, the MACD has just started to cross. So if you have not entered a position on H-bar, you boleh tunggu dia pullback sedikit, right? 3.8 level, 0.5, even the golden pocket would be an ideal re-entry for H-bar and to take out this current high. This is the new all-time high. We would like to take that out. Oh, sorry, bukan all-time high. All-time high is here. Okay, I believe so on this chart. We may have a longer chart, tapi untuk chart ni, this is the high that I can see. Okay, so kalau kita dapat pullback untuk H bar, a good level to re-entry 0.5, of course the most ideal, sebab kalau market trending dengan kuat, it's likely that sometimes dia takkan sampai golden pocket. So keep an eye on the 0.5 and 0.38 level. Kalau kita dapat pullback ke sini, you guys can be targeting the previous high right here. Okay, daily MACD baru cross, so momentum is starting to build up. So keep an eye on H bar. Masih ada peluang untuk entry, right? Just wait for a pullback. Okay, now another trade I want to share with you guys. Let's take a look. Which one should I give you guys? Saya dah share semua trade ini dalam academy ya. I've shared all these trades in the academy. So kalau you guys nak tahu semua trade yang saya enter, semua trade yang saya share, make sure you guys are in the academy. Saya akan letak link di bawah untuk join. Okay, so let's see. Let me give you guys a good one. Let me think which is a good one. I actually like say and grass. Tapi grass, okay, let's see grass lah. So grass, kita dah accumulate, kita dah sideways dalam range ini agak lama. Ini daily time frame. And currently we are testing on the value area low dan juga golden pocket. Okay, so this is a valid entry sebab ada dua daily level, right? We have the daily value area low dan daily Fibonacci golden pocket. Tapi apa yang saya tak suka ialah, the support is quite low here. So there is a possibility that we lose this and deviate di bawah ke bawah sini, tap into this demand zone right here dekat 1.5, right? And then move up, right? So this is a valid entry right where we are now, 2.45, sebab ada value area low dan juga ada golden pocket, tetapi ada kemungkinan kita boleh deviate ke bawah and tap into this demand zone. So if you do get stopped out here, kalau you kena stop loss sini, this would also be a good place to look for long position. 1.6 to 1.5 macam tu lah. 1.6 to 1.5 would be a decent area to look for re-entry. Okay, and of course we will be targeting a rotation all the way back up to this top range. So this would be my first entry where I would look for an entry. Lebih baik kalau ada some sort of confirmation, ya. Look for some form of confirmation before you entry here. If we do break out of this value area low and deviate di bawah range ini, then I will look for a new long position around here. Stop loss will be below here, maybe 1.2, something like that, and we are targeting a rotation to the top of the range. So this is grass. We have two potential entries. Kalau Bitcoin sambung teruskan pump, then it's very likely we could start a rotation from where we are right now. Okay, but again, make sure you guys apply your own confirmation to these trades. Ini bukan financial advice, ini bukan trading advice. This is just my own personal opinion. Lagi satu saya nak share dengan you guys. Pionex is having a deposit bonus. So bukan saja untuk new user, tapi untuk existing user juga yang sudah ada account. Asalkan anda deposit dari 15 January until 24th January, if you deposit, you will get a futures grid bonus. So deposit 200, you get $50 futures grid bonus. Deposit 5,000, you dapat 500 futures grid bonus. Okay, saya dah post ini juga dalam public channel. If you guys nak deposit P2P, you guys can PM me. Saya boleh admin saya, dan saya juga akan membantu anda, guide anda on board, dan juga membantu anda deposit melalui P2P. Okay, so make sure you guys take advantage of this limited time deposit bonus from Pionex. Alright, so itu saja untuk video kali ini. Make sure you guys like the channel, subscribe, dan jangan lupa comment what you guys want to see in the next video. Kalau you guys nak belajar anything specific, make sure you guys comment di bawah, bagi saya idea sikit. See you guys in the next video.